Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play 5 Nights at Freddy's in real time. Your main goal is to survive 5 nights as a security guard. You'll monitor security cameras to track animatronics, manage a limited power supply, and use office doors and lights to defend yourself. Each night lasts for 6 in-game hours, from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. It's a thrilling challenge that requires quick thinking and careful resource management to make it through. Understanding each animatronic's unique behavior is crucial for survival. Freddy Fazbear typically becomes active on later nights, moving slowly but surely. Bonnie, the bunny, is often the first to move, appearing on your left side. Chica, the chicken, approaches from the right, sometimes lingering in the kitchen. Foxy, the pirate fox, will dash down the West Hall if you don't check on him frequently enough. Keep a close eye on their patterns. Effective power management is key to surviving all 5 nights. Every action, like checking cameras, closing doors, or using lights, consumes a portion of your limited power supply. Avoid constantly checking cameras or keeping doors shut for too long. Instead, listen carefully for audio cues, like footsteps or breathing, which often signal an animatronic's proximity. Prioritize your defenses when a threat is directly outside your office to conserve power. To successfully survive each night, focus on learning the animatronic's distinct movement patterns and audio cues. Use your camera system sparingly, perhaps for only 1 or 2 seconds at a time, to conserve precious power. Only close your office doors when an animatronic is confirmed to be directly outside. Anticipate potential jump scares and react swiftly to any immediate threats. With practice, you'll master the art of survival.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.